Hi guys, welcome to the short video about this TANG 10mm tarp. I have the white color here and I've been using this for some plywood which I've been using exactly 1 year ago for a hurricane, and I didn't know where to put it. I didn't have any space in the garage, so I put it outside and covered it with this white tarp, and you can see it's in absolute perfect condition. I mean, this is Florida, this is super hot, a lot of heat, lot of humidity, lot of rain, and of course we also had some strong wind couple of times, and one time even a Cat 1 hurricane, and the wood is in perfect condition, exactly how I put it there. And you can see also the tarp, it's in perfect condition, exactly like on day one, exactly how I've been putting it outside. And the wood has even some very sharp corners, especially here on the top left, top right. And I'm expecting some problems, but it's absolutely not. I can show you that here. Also inside, it's holding up really good. Also underneath, corners, everything is holding up in perfect condition, and I'm pretty sure this will last for a couple of more years. I had already a couple of similar tarps and I tried to save money. I bought some thinner tarps and they broke up after very short time, especially in the corners. These are very sensitive areas with this sharp wood here, and this thing here is holding up really super nicely. It's super sturdy, definitely waterproof. It's absolutely awesome. I'm blown away by the quality of this tarp here. And by the way, I'm not affiliated with this company. I paid full price, but I'm super happy with it. I would buy it anytime again. And so if you are looking for something like that, I can highly recommend it, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.